Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 9. It is They Asked Why. They asked why. They means who? They means the inventors, the scientists who asked many questions and they got that answers. So today we will read about the inventors. So student, you are using so many things like trains, phones, medicines, electricity, computers, etc. So all these things are invented by peoples like us only because they asked many questions how it becomes, how it will happen, and so on. So by these they invented these things to live very easy life. By these things we are living very easy life. So first of all we will read about the inventor Isak Newton. Isaac Newton, what he invented, once upon a time he was sitting under a tree and he saw an apple falling to the ground. Then he thought, why do the earth, the moon and the other planets move about without falling down? So Isaac Newton asked these questions. So why only an apple fell down and not the earth and the moon? So he asked these questions and came up with Newton's laws. And in the same way, now the second scientist was Edward Jenner. He, once upon, a country woman tells him that those who get cowpox will not get smallpox. Then he tried to find out if it was true. Then what he did, he took the cowpox germs from a cow and mixed them in a human being's blood. And then he put back the smallpox germs in the same person. And after that, the man did not get smallpox. In this way, he invented this smallpox. He was Edward Jenner. And the next scientist is Albert Einstein. His father brought a compass one day and said that, my boy, look at this box with a needle. Then, why does the needle point only in one direction? Einstein asked. When his father gave him that needle, he asked that why the needle point only in one direction. Then the earth has properties like a magnet that pulls the needle in one direction, his father explained. And what happens later? Later, Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. So, he was the greatest physicist. This Einstein. And next we will read about James Watt. So when James Watt was a young boy, he was sitting by the fireplace in his grandmother's kitchen. And what he observed? He watched the steam rising from a tea kettle. And then he thought, what is in the tea kettle? Then why does the lid shake? And he asked his grandmother curiously. It's steam, she replied. But how did it get under the lid? James Watt continued to ask questions. And then he thought steam can be used to move even that bigger things. And what he discovered? He discovered the steam engine. So in this way, by asking so many questions, he got the answer and he invented the steam engine. Now, next scientist we'll read is Benjamin Franklin. Was curious about things and the way they worked. He always tried to find ways to make them work better. Benjamin could not see things far away and needed glasses to read as well. Means he was not able to see things far away, and he also needed glasses to read. So he thought, why can't I get glasses to help me see both near and far? Many people cannot see near also and cannot see far also. So he thought that how can I get glasses to help see both near and far? He thought he cut two pairs of spectacles into two halves, and he fixed half of each lens in a single frame. Then, have you seen your parents or grandparents wear them? That is, he can see the far away places also and the nearby places also in a same glass, and these are called bifocals. These lenses are called bifocals. So Benjamin Franklin has invented these bifocal lenses. Now the next one is Bill Gates. Bill Gates believes that people should learn something that they haven't learnt before. He says we should never say I don't know. Bill Gates' company, do you know what is that company? It is Microsoft, and it has become successful because he believes in learning continuously. He encourages the people to ask the question why. And that means when you will ask a question why, you will get the answer. So we not only read the things, but we should understand what we are learning. When we are curious about our subject, we will look for an answer, and this makes us do our best and concentrate. Then we will enjoy learning. This is the meaning of this chapter. Means always we should ask questions. Without questions, we will not get the things. If we will ask a question, we can invent many things. So I hope you all have understood the chapter, and this fill-ups you will write in your book. Here see, inventors ask the right questions, and here inventors are curious people. And one more was here, inventors never stop learning. So these are the fill-ups you will write in your this book only, and the question answer I will give you in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.